If you're eyeing the Lenovo Legion Go for your next gaming rig, hang on, because this review is about to peel back the glossy finish and reveal what you really need to know before spending your hard-earned $849.99. You might think this sleek handheld powerhouse, powered by the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme, is the ultimate gaming companion for on-the-go play. But here's what surprised me. It's not all smooth sailing in paradise. In fact, some glaring issues could seriously affect your gaming groove. Today, we're cutting through the hype and showing you whether the Legion Go lives up to its bold promise or just ends up as another shelf centerpiece. Let's dive deep into what makes the Lenovo Legion Go tick and where it stumbles. If you're a hardcore gamer who demands flawless performance, portability, and stunning visuals, stick around because this review is tailored just for you. By the end, you'll not only know if it's worth your investment but understand the quirky pitfalls that might make you think twice. Spoiler alert, it's not all doom and gloom, but some unexpected trade-offs might ruffle your feathers. First off, the Lenovo Legion Go boasts an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, combined with integrated AMD Radeon graphics, a setup that screams top-tier performance. This means seamless gameplay and smooth multitasking, at least on paper. The 8.8-inch WQXGA touch display delivers vivid visuals with 500 nits brightness and a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate, promising sharpness and buttery smooth frames. Plus, with 512 GB SSD storage, you get ample room for your library of AAA titles and media files. It also offers USB 4 ports for versatile connectivity, and even includes gaming controllers with 24 customizable on-gamepad controls. Sounds like a dream, right? But nightmare colors can hide in perfect pixels. Despite this impressive spec sheet, users have flagged a few crucial issues. The price tag alone sets expectations sky-high, yet some gamers report occasional thermal throttling. Put simply, the device heats up quickly under heavy load, causing the processor to downclock and compromise that unrivaled performance Lenovo promised. So when you're deep into a heated match, you might notice sudden dips in frame rates, a big no-no for competitive gaming. Have you ever been so hot under the collar that your PC shrinks away? That's the Legion Go when gaming turns serious. Then there's the display experience. While the 144 Hz refresh rate is a fantastic feature, some users mention that, even with that brightness rating, glare becomes an issue in well-lit environments. Imagine trying to sneak in a quick game during a bright sunny day, only to find your screen resembling a mirror. Not exactly what you want on a portable device meant for anywhere anytime gaming. So the impressive specs don't always translate to real-world bliss. And speaking of bliss, let's talk controller ergonomics. Lenovo's decision to embed gaming controllers directly into the device with 24 customizable controls is innovative. However, some players find the controller layout less comfortable than traditional setups, especially during extended sessions. The buttons can feel cramped due to the compact size, and the lack of analog triggers may impact games that rely heavily on nuanced inputs. This design choice might suit casual gamers, but if you're big into precision controls or used to full-sized gamepads, there's an adjustment period. Or, in gamer terms, a "why does it feel like I'm wrestling a gremlin" moment. And here's a twist that might make you chuckle. Despite the device's sleek and lightweight design, which is just under 2 pounds, some gamers say it feels unbalanced in hand when the controllers are attached. Picture trying to game on a handheld device that's like holding a sandwich with all the fillings slid to one side. That's the Legion Go's weight distribution in a nutshell. Portability meets awkwardness. Therefore, don't be surprised if your grip and form factor get an unexpected workout. But what about the audio and connectivity? The Legion Go packs stereo speakers designed to deliver crisp highs and deep lows, a recipe for immersive soundscapes, or so it claims. In reality, The sound quality is decent but not mind-blowing. Bass lacks depth, especially during explosion-heavy action scenes. And if you're using headphones, expect no active noise cancellation or premium audio features, which might be a drawback for audiophiles. For connectivity, the two USB 440 Gbps ports open doors for external devices, but can be a double-edged sword. Some users report occasional disconnects when hot-swapping accessories, which can interrupt gameplay. Plug and play, more like plug and pray. Now, before you write it off as a dud, there's a bright side. The Legion Go's integrated camera is surprisingly clear, perfect for streaming and video chats with friends during multiplayer gaming sessions. Plus, the inclusion of firmware TPM 2.0 adds a layer of security that serious users will appreciate, keeping your data safe in an increasingly digital world. Lenovo's human-centered design philosophy shines here. They've clearly thought about productivity beyond just gaming. Still curious? Let me tell you a story. A friend recently bought the Legion Go for long road trips. He loved the idea of uninterrupted gaming anywhere, especially with the included carry bag that's perfect for travel. However, after a few sessions, he noticed the device getting hot enough to roast marshmallows. Not that we recommend testing that. Eventually, he paired it with an external fan and cooler pad, which fixed the heat but kinda defeated the portable purpose. Now, it's his at-home, portable gaming station. So, is it portable if you need a portable fan along? Food for thought. And here's a quick joke to break the tension. Why did the gamer bring a fan to a match? Because their Lenovo Legion Go was heating up faster than the competition. Okay, I'll stick to reviews. Back to the Legion Go's core. The AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor is powerful, no doubt. Gaming on this device is generally smooth for titles optimized for integrated graphics. But for AAA games pushing the polygon count through the roof, you might see compromises in graphics settings or frame stability. So if you're expecting a handheld version of a gaming desktop, you'll be disappointed. It's more the Porsche of handhelds, fast and flashy, but not a full-fledged race car. Also, at $849.99, it's a significant investment for a handheld. Competitors in the market offer similar specs or better performance for the same or lower price points, some even with dedicated GPUs that crush integrated Radeon graphics. Thus, budget-conscious buyers might want to shop around before clicking that buy button. Are you paying a premium for brand name and portability? Yes, but with some caveats. Let's rehook here with a question. What if you're not a hardcore gamer but want a sleek, versatile handheld device for casual gaming, media streaming, and light multitasking? The Legion Go shines in this category. Its bright, colorful display, solid build quality, and comfortable gaming controls make it a solid choice for casual gamers and tech enthusiasts who value portability above all. Moreover, the built-in storage and USB 4 ports create a workstation vibe, perfect for productivity apps or entertainment on the road. Another lighthearted joke. Why did the gamer bring a ladder to the party? Because they heard the Legion Go has too many high specs. Despite the giggles, it's true. The high specs mean high expectations, which the Legion Go sometimes struggles to meet under pressure. Wrapping up, the Lenovo Legion Go is a mixed bag. Its strengths lie in portability, well-rounded specs, and impressive aesthetics. It's a well-designed gadget for gamers who prize convenience and value a solid gaming experience away from desks and monitors. On the flip side, temperature management, controller ergonomics, and price point could be deal-breakers for a serious gamer seeking uncompromising performance. In conclusion, if you want a lightweight, stylish handheld device capable of handling modern games with decent visuals, and you're okay with some thermal quirks, the Legion Go could be your ideal companion. But if you demand hardcore gaming power, long sessions without heat throttling, and precision controls, you might be better off waiting for an iteration that sharpens these rough edges. Before you dash to buy, remember, The best deal is just a click away on Amazon. Check out the link in the description for the latest prices and offers. Treat yourself, but game smart. Because every gamer's dream is a handheld that feels less like a sauna and more like a fortress. And with that, I'll leave you with one last joke to lighten the mood. Why don't handheld consoles ever get stressed? Because they always have a little control. Get it? Control. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your experiences with handheld gaming. Until next time, happy gaming.